Pele boobies. Sorry, stop. Me.
The Yukon is a dangerous place. You never know what's coming. I came up here because I didn't want to be around anyone. And then I met Bug.
Aww, puppy.
He was a dog like no other. He'd been spoiled. And he'd suffered. But he could not be broken.
I don't know where you came from, but I know where you are now. Welcome to the last place on the earth.
I should let him have a minute. Doesn't look like he's ever seen snow before. How do you feel about an adventure beyond all maps? We should go, you and I.
Ooh.
See what's out there. I'm glad you're enjoying this.
I never saw him believe in anything as much as he believes in you.
What do you say, Buck? Adventure of a lifetime. You've been sleeping for 2 days.
Papa Nhenha. La Macarena, Xuxa. Stop! Some daqui. No! Bello, bye bye.